All right, I want to show you guys a way to get rid of some of that resin smell that you might be experiencing in your lab. This thing's I found on Amazon, they're not too expensive, so check this out. This is called a grow tent. I guess it's so you can grow plants in your house and it's not going to smell. It's made to contain all of the smells of manure, whatever you use, but we're going to use it for holding the resin in so it doesn't stink up your whole lab. If you'll come around here real quick, you can see, I have my printer in here. These things, they just ship to you from Amazon and you build them. This one I like. There are some printers that have a door that opens up, but this one's nice because I can just stick it up here and hook it on, and then it's out of the way so I don't have to pull it all the way off. But let me show you how these things work. So this goes back on. They have these vents here. That's where the air would come in. And if you'll come up here real quick, April. If you look right here, you see that light coming through. And then I'm going to show up on top. There's just a hole on the top. There's different types of designs for these, really big, wide ones, tall ones. I like I think this one's about 36 inches, which is nice for just being able to hook on the hood like that. But most of them are like 48 inches. I'm going to show you the design of this one, which I like, and if you have more than one printer, you might want a wider one. So when you're not using it, you can seal it all up, close this little vent here, and that'll keep all the smell in. And then you can buy these carbon filters here, so that when you open this, you don't get a flush or a rush of resin. And the way this works is it has a fan right here, and all this does is it's a one-way fan. So it hooks on right in that hole there. And it comes with kind of like one of those dryer tubes. And so you can, if you don't want it right on top, you can put it somewhere else. But this is just convenient for me to put right on top. This doesn't fit right in it, so sometimes you might have to get like a pipe, or in my case, just the top of a plastic cup. And then I put some kind of gasket material. And then this just goes on top here. And then when you plug it in, right before you open this door, you plug it in, open up this vent, like that. And that will suck all the air out through this carbon filter and keep your lab nice and fresh.